Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Bruno and I'm excited to be here with you today. Today's presentation is all about Intel CPUs, i3, i5, i7, i9, and Xeon. We'll be breaking down their performance, features, and ideal use cases. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore what makes each of these processors unique and how you can choose the right one for your needs. So let's get started. Let's talk about why Intel CPU tiers matter. Intel offers a wide range of CPUs, from budget-friendly options to high-end enterprise-grade processors. The key factors that differentiate these tiers include the number of cores, which affect multitasking and performance, clock speed, which influences how fast tasks are completed, cache size, impacting how quickly data is accessed, and of course, the intended use case, whether it's gaming, professional work, or servers. The main goal here is to help you match the right CPU to your specific needs. For example, a gaming setup might prioritize higher clock speeds and fewer cores, while a workstation or server might benefit from more cores and larger cache. Ultimately, understanding these tiers enables you to make smarter choices, ensuring your CPU aligns perfectly with what you want to do, whether it's gaming, productivity, or managing demanding enterprise applications. And just a quick note, this image here is licensed under CC BY and CND, so it's a great example of giving credit where it's due. Now, let's take a closer look at the Core i3, which is considered an entry-level processor. As the name suggests, it's designed for users who need reliable performance without the high cost of more advanced chips. You'll notice that the images here are licensed under CC BY and CC BY and CND, emphasizing the importance of respecting intellectual property rights when sharing content. The Core i3 is ideal for everyday tasks like web browsing, word processing, and media consumption. While it may not handle heavy-duty applications as efficiently as higher-end models, it offers a solid foundation for basic computing needs. Overall, understanding the role of entry-level processors like the Core i3 helps us see how different components fit into various computing environments and user requirements. Let's talk about the Core i5, which is considered a mid-range processor. These chips typically have between 6 and 10 cores, which means they can handle multiple tasks more efficiently. They also come with a cache size ranging from 12 to 20 MB, helping speed up data access. Plus, they can boost their performance to over 5 GHz, giving you that extra punch when needed. Some models are unlocked, which means you can do mild overclocking if you're interested in squeezing out a bit more performance. In terms of use cases, the Core i5 is great for gaming at 1080p, so you get smooth gameplay without needing the highest-end hardware. It's also suitable for photo editing, where multitasking and good processing power are essential. Overall, this processor strikes a nice balance between performance and affordability, fitting well into the overall theme of versatile computing options. Let's talk about the Core i7 high-end. This processor is really the powerhouse of the lineup, designed for users who need top-tier performance. It's ideal for demanding tasks like high-end gaming, content creation, and intensive multitasking. What makes it stand out are its advanced features, such as higher core and thread counts, which allow it to handle multiple processes simultaneously without breaking a sweat. This means faster processing times and smoother experiences overall. When we connect this to the broader theme of performance, the Core i7 exemplifies how high-end components can elevate a system's capabilities, providing reliability and power for those who push their machines to the limit. So, in essence, if you're looking for a processor that delivers exceptional speed and efficiency for demanding applications, the Core i7 is definitely the way to go. Let's talk about the Core i9, which is Intel's flagship choice for consumers. This processor packs in 16 to 24 cores, making it incredibly powerful for demanding tasks. It also features a large cache of 30 to 36 MB, which helps speed up data access and overall performance. With boost speeds exceeding 6 GHz, it's built for high-performance scenarios. It's fully unlocked, meaning you can overclock it to push even more performance if you're into tweaking your setup. But a word of caution. Because of its high performance, it runs hot and definitely needs good cooling solutions. Now, what kind of tasks is this processor ideal for? It's perfect for 8K rendering, professional simulations, and extreme gaming. These are the kinds of applications that really take advantage of its immense processing power. So, in the broader context of our presentation, the Core i9 exemplifies the cutting-edge technology available today, designed for users who need top-tier performance and are willing to invest in cooling and tuning to get the most out of it. Let's talk about Xeon, often called the Enterprise King. These processors are really the backbone of high-performance computing in the enterprise world. They're designed to handle the most demanding workloads, from large-scale data centers to mission-critical applications. What sets Xeon apart is their ability to deliver exceptional reliability, availability, and serviceability, or RAS features, which are crucial for maintaining uptime in critical systems. They're built for scalability, meaning you can configure multiple processors to work together seamlessly, supporting massive data processing needs. This makes them ideal for cloud services, AI workloads, and virtualization. Throughout the presentation, we've seen how important powerful, reliable hardware is for enterprise success, and Xeon truly stands out in that space. It's no wonder they're considered the king of enterprise processors. Let's take a closer look at this comparison table. Here, we're highlighting the key differences and similarities between the options we're considering. As you can see, each row focuses on a specific aspect, like cost, efficiency, or usability. This visual helps us quickly identify which choice aligns best with our goals. Pay attention to the areas where one option clearly outperforms the others. These are often the critical factors in decision-making. It's also important to consider how these points connect to our overall theme of optimizing performance and achieving sustainable growth. By understanding these distinctions, we can make more informed, strategic choices that support our long-term vision. This table is not just about comparing numbers. It's about understanding the story behind them and how they influence our direction moving forward. Let's now look at the key takeaways from today's presentation. First, I want to emphasize the importance of understanding these core concepts, as they form the foundation for everything we've discussed. These points are not just isolated ideas, they connect directly to the overall theme of our session, which is about driving innovation through effective collaboration. As we go through each takeaway, think about how they relate to your own work and challenges. The most critical idea here is that success depends on applying these principles consistently and thoughtfully. Remember, the goal is to foster an environment where ideas can flourish and teams can work seamlessly together. So keep these key points in mind as you move forward. They're designed to help you implement practical strategies that lead to meaningful results. And ultimately, they tie back to our main message, that collaboration and innovation are truly the keys to sustained growth and success. Thank you for your attention, and now I want to emphasize a few final points. On this slide, we have questions and sources, which are crucial for wrapping up our discussion. First, I encourage you to think about any questions you might have, clarifications, deeper insights, or related topics you're curious about. Asking questions helps deepen understanding and sparks further exploration. Next, I want to highlight the importance of our sources. The information we've covered is backed by credible research and data, which adds to the reliability of our conclusions. When engaging with sources, always consider their origin and context, as this enhances critical thinking. Finally, connecting all these points to the overall theme, it's clear that understanding the sources and asking thoughtful questions are vital steps in applying what we've learned effectively. Never hesitate to seek clarification or additional information. That's how we grow and make informed decisions. So, please feel free to share your questions now or afterward. Thanks again for your engagement and curiosity throughout this presentation.